With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A soap film is created in a small wire frame as shown in the figure. The sliding wire of mass m is given a velocity u to the right. Assume that u is small enough so that the film does not break. The plane of the film is horizontal and the surface tension is T. You have to find out the time to regain its original position of the wire. So if you see here, the surface tension force on the wire will act in this direction, Fs. And if you see here, the surface tension force on this wire, it will be equals to T into length. And since there are two surfaces, we multiply it with 2. So this will be the force. And if I write down the acceleration, it will be surface tension force by mass, that is 2TL by m. So this will be the acceleration in opposite direction, in this direction. So if you see here, now we want the time to regain its original position. So when it will regain its original position, its displacement will become 0. So if I write down the second equation of motion, that is ut plus half a t square. So we want this s to be 0. And if you see, acceleration is in opposite direction. So half of acceleration is TL by m, t square. So if you see here, from here you got the time. If you take t common here, is equals to 0. So I will write down t is equals to 0 and t is equals to mu by TL. Right. So now if you got the time, now you can check for the option mu by TL. So um by TL is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.